I didn't go to the dentist real often after I was 18. If I did go to the dentist, it was because I had to, because I was in pain. So there were issues that were definitely compounded before I went in. And then after I was incarcerated, it was like they kind of came to the surface, and mostly it was, again, cracked teeth, infections, and a lot of pain.
When I was small, I used to have dreams of my teeth falling out. So even throughout my addiction, I've always took care of my teeth. So when I went to prison, I had very good oral health.
We would get local anesthetic and 2 aspirin. After we left, we couldn't have any more than 2 aspirin. And so, of course, that was kind of traumatic. I probably had about 4 extractions while I was incarcerated.
He actually did a root canal on my tooth because he didn't want to pull my teeth out because my tooth was all my teeth were in good condition. The only problem was that he wasn't able to put a crown on it, so he put a temporary filling over it. And he told me since I was close to being released at the end of my incarceration, all I had to do was get a crown upon my release. And I was so heartbroken because the same dentist that performed the root canal to try to save it is the dentist that had to pull it because it was so infected. So that was my first tooth that was pulled, and it really impacted me a lot. It was a tooth that when I smiled, you can see it was just totally missing. It was pretty devastating for me. Like I said, those dreams that I used to have when I was small and my teeth falling out, it just seemed like that was the worst thing that could happen to me, is having my tooth pulled and not being able to save it.
I was not able to chew because I had no molars, and it was interesting because any molars I did have, they were not aligning, so it looked like checkers. Then I became a father, and I wanted to get healthy and stay so I can stick around for my kiddo. And then I found out I had dangerously high cholesterol from my diet, and my diet was linked directly to my tooth loss.